Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox that keeps crashing and freezing Windows. First, let's clear the Roblox cache data. Sometimes cache data files can get corrupted and cause issues like crashing. On a Windows computer, open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key. Search for Run and select it. In the search box, type % local app data % and press OK. In the folder that opens, find and select the Roblox folder. Then click the trash icon at the top to delete it. Next, make sure the Roblox servers are operational. Sometimes the servers go down for maintenance, causing your game to crash. To check, open a web browser and go to status.roblox.com. If everything is operational, you'll see a green message. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, it will be listed there. Another quick solution is to run the app as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox app and select Run as Administrator. If none of these steps help, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go to the Start menu and search for App. Then click on Add or Remove Programs. Use the search feature to find a Roblox app. Click the three little dots and select Uninstall. To reinstall, go back to roblox.com/download in a browser. Here, click the Download Windows app button. Once it's finished downloading, try relaunching the app. Another effective solution is to update your graphic drivers. Old or outdated graphic cards can cause your game to lag, freeze, or crash. To update your drivers, go to the Start menu and search for Drivers, then select Device Manager. Find Display Adapters and click the drop-down arrow. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. You can use the automatic update tool or visit your graphics card manufacturer's website for the latest updates. After completing these steps, hopefully the issue will be fixed. If you're still having problems, disconnect any external devices like steering wheels or game controllers, as they can sometimes interfere with the app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.